What is happening in Faraday Future Intelligent Electric?
Let's see what's going on. The best trade of the year or not? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to read the disclaimer right here, also in the description below. Welcome to Trading HD. Very interesting. This stock, amazing price action that we have right
Look at
there.
that, Enrique. Look at
Getting
that.
wow,
9,000%.
completely insane. Imagine buying at the bottom and selling just at the high. Or maybe we are not at the highest moment. We don't know it. We don't know the future. We don't know the future of Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. I love the name. It's very very funny. So keep tuned, guys, to know what will happen right here. Let us know in the comments also your opinions, because right now we don't know more than you. We can just look at the chart and throw some darts, throw some cards, and try to guess what could happen. We're going to comment what happened during this last week, because I think the price action is interesting. And from there, what will happen, we let that for you.
Well, technical analysis is the only thing that can help you right now. That's for sure. Remember to subscribe to Trading HT to see more videos like this. Amazing. I was confusing the word volume and volatility because this is like the chart itself. And actually, let's gonna see the volume, because you're gonna it's gonna play your wow. I mean, all the volume
Wow.
was
Yeah.
before, because that was during the time that nothing happened and all the train activity was on those areas. But look at that right now, like there is no resistance, and then we have the upturn right here. It's like we draw that, remember that we drew that line a week ago. There was a breakout. That was a key moment to sell at the beginning. But like now it's going up again. We have like a second uptrend that is developing right now. The thing is, like, if we see the stock going above $4, wow. I mean, it's uncommon. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's uncommon to see like a second, like a second round, so to speak. But it could
Yeah.
happen.
I, I mean,
If bullish traders
in
have
this
the strength right here, it could happen.
Yeah, in this type of stocks, that are based on hype, this meme trend, you never know the future, never better said. And in this case, we had like this kind of uptrend right there, and the breakout happened, and you can clearly see that from there the price dropped very fast, but it started to go up again, and sometimes you even see like that breakout happening, and it is a false breakout, and it goes higher from there. So I think it's a very dangerous territory. I don't think it's for everyone. I think you have to be a very experienced trader in order to profit from this. Or also you can be lucky, always. But
And extended hours
uh,
only. Trade with extended hours, because if you have like a huge
yeah, the
gap on the
gaps.
downside, it's gonna
Yeah,
kill you.
yeah, that would be, yeah, for sure. We can also like uncheck the extended trading hours right there, and you can see the gaps. This doesn't seem as
Not
much,
many
but if you
gaps
take a look
actually.
at this gap, this is 57%, so not jokes right there. And this one to the downside was like 40%. It seems like a small gap, but 40%,
That's a lot.
I
I
don't
mean,
think it, yeah, exactly. Depends on what capital are you trading, but it could be a lot
but
of
obviously
capital.
here's like over dimension. It's like you had to think in big numbers, because here minus 40% is normal. And remember, guys, that the stock
Yeah.
when the upturn started until the news levels establishing when it was trading at $4, it's 10,000%. I mean, you cannot think that the
Yeah,
stock
we
could
are
go.
talking today. The market has been going up 75% more or less.
I mean, it's not
So
Nvidia. It's like
obviously there will be gaps of 40.
you see 74 and you have to think that it's 7, so to speak,
Yeah,
because this is the
exactly.
normal behavior in a stock like this.
Risk management right here is completely key, because in both sides, you can clearly win a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot very fast. That's the
Casino
danger
play.
right here. Yeah, the opportunity and also the risk. That's the life yin yang, and in trading you can clearly see that with this type of actions, with this type of stocks, this price action very clear and very fast. In this, I love to analyze these type of situations, because you have like the market experience that you could like analyze with different stocks during decades. You have it all condensed in a few days or weeks. So it's completely insane. Maybe it's not the same, but it's nuts, the knowledge that you can get from here, just analyzing this price action and the psychology behind these movements.
Yeah, also, guys, we're gonna shed some light right here, the reality behind it, because you won't be able to get an upturn like this. The 10,000% has already passed. I mean, you think that the stock could go like 10,000%. Let's draw it. Let's draw it. Let's see the level that it has to reach. We're talking about the stock should go up. Let me see. Yeah, to almost $200. I mean, it's not gonna happen. No,
Yeah,
not not
and this is
in a
because of
million
some
years.
stock splits, so the price won't be like the same that in the past. The market cap has to be. Let's see the market cap because that's a better indicator than the price in this case. Uh, we were talking about
Wow!
this stock is 76 million right now. When the price
Holy
was
mother of God!
trading around $300 more or less, the market cap was around $18 billion. So
But look at that,
really
Enrique.
insane.
It had a market cap, and it's gonna blow your mind out. It's like
Yeah,
more than 100 billion back
yeah,
in
yeah.
July 2022. So right now it's trading at only 47 million. I mean, what happened
Yeah,
here? It's like
76, no? Yeah, 76 million.
this is a dead stock if you see the long term.
Yeah, in the long term, it's completely nuts, and that's the reason behind these stocks also is like they seem dead and they start to recover like crazy, but you don't know how long will this last. With GME, it lasted for a long time, and it even kind of recovered. AMC, another story right there. In this type we don't know, because some of them started and ended, another continued. The thing is, like, the opportunity could be there, but also the risk. So in my opinion, risk management is key. And also, good luck if you are trading this one. Let us know in the comments if you want to share with us your experience trading this. And I would like to go to the 5-minute chart to see with more detail the price action that has been happening during these last days. And it's completely insane. You can clearly see right there the upside movement that started at 13th of May. Let me draw the vertical line. And if we go to the uptrend right there, we can see, we can kind of draw this upside right here. And we had one breakout, very clear here. The price went lower. And what I meant, like from there, we had this upside gap of more than 40%. From there, we
Wow.
had another breakout to the downside, like 30%, and the price that they go up again. So it's very difficult to predict the price movement right here. And I also think that you have to be prepared to trade like 24 hours because it could completely change during night or the time that you're not watching the screen. So it's not sometimes.
Yeah, the most important area I would say, let's draw it right here because right now we have all the resistance levels around this area, So at current levels, it should be, it's difficult to see the stock going above $2 at this particular point, but if it happens, it could be like a very bullish signal. But right now, it's like in the critical moment. Critical moment. It happened before in AMC. It happened before in GameStop. Like they in the upturn tried to reach new levels, but they couldn't. And this is the point that we are watching right now. Like maybe it can, and if it can, it goes back again to $1. And if then we have the support level right here.
Yeah, it's very interesting. I was looking at the chart without the logarithmic scale, and it is completely different. That's why I was drawing a line that bro kind of erased it because it wasn't like very clear in the non-logarithmic scale. It's completely different. That's why we always recommend to use both charts because you can get more data and you can see how are both types of players, in the market.
Mm-hmm.
Those that use the logarithmic scale and those who doesn't, and from there you can get like more information. Very interesting right now. So I think, like, to close the video, let us know in the comments what do you think will happen with this level of $2. Do you think, first of all, will it be reached? What is your opinion? And if you think it will be reached, do you think it will be broken out and we will see higher prices again, or do you think like the price will get rejected there and go lower from there, or will it continue going lower just from this actual current prices right now? What do you think? Let us know below in the comments. Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. We got a lot of comments and likes in the last video of this stock, so that's why we wanted to update it. Thank you very much. Have a nice week. Take care. Good luck. We love you.
Bye bye.